All right, if you want to learn how to make $2,000 in a day, keep watching this video. This is a trade recap for July 2nd. Okay, so coming into today's open, we opened down here on ES. We still have all these lows right here. This gap untouched. This was my main draw for today, but as you can see, I didn't marry my bias, and we still made money today. But I did come into the day thinking maybe we was gonna come and touch these. We do have these equal highs. Let's go in higher. So as you can see, the high from today is this high back from Wednesday, the 19th. And if you take a look up here with this H on this candle, 627, 70, 75, and we go over. And then the pre-market candle 6270 75. So those were my two areas that I was looking to see price move to. Um, so as you see, NQ swept out these lows pre-market, um, and so did ES. But we still had this huge SMT. NQ and ES this week have just not been correlated really at all. So if we drop down to the lower time frame, let's go to the 1 minute. Um, as you can see from market open, it just ran up. So there was no trade for me to take on NQ. Um, if you were bullish, this is probably where you would have got in on this 1 minute fair value gap. You would have been in the macro right here, got in right here, somewhere right here maybe. Stops below the candle that made the fair value gap, and you would target these relatively equal highs, and they also are, like London midnight highs. So that would have been your trade on NQ if you were bullish. Um, I like to see price grab liquidity, move up, fill in some kind of confluence, and then head towards another range of liquidity. So let's go into the trade I did take on ES. I was looking at the charts and I did not think I was going to trade today. But so what ended up happening was I saw NQ running up and ES running up, from the open. Um, we see it closed above this 5 minute fair value gap. I saw that immediately. Um, and then after that, I see this 15-minute fair value gap. So I mark out this low to let me know when it gets and touches into this 15-minute fair value gap. And off the 5 minute, you see this retracement. Most people would have thought, oh, um, it could be a reversal. No, that today is just one of those days that you just have to know if it's gonna reverse or not. And today, it this candle did not scare me. Shouldn't have scared you, because we knew market was coming towards this yellow line. Remember, with the same equal highs. So I see that. I'm patient. I see a inverse of this fair value gap right here. I got in right here, which granted is not the best entry. I did just think it was gonna just run up, since we were in that 1050 macro, but that didn't end up happening. So I got in one contract right here, um, and then I got in three more contracts right here. And the reason I got in right here, this fair value gap, I wanted a better entry, so I got in more stops, which is below this, that created the fair value gap, and moved this stop. Um, this stop was also here, but then I moved it up to right here just to take some risk off the table. And as you can see, price all day, just slowly bouncing around, moving up slightly. Um, we do have um, this 15-minute fair value gap. I saw this, and once we closed above, I was like, okay, I should be good. I should be on sides. Coming back to the 1 minute. Um, we see this fair value gap right here, playing around in it, respecting the 50% line with all these candles. Come up, trade through it, still bouncing around. Finally comes up above, touches it one more time. This is a 5 minute fair value gap. Where did it go? Right here. As you can see, the body's respecting the 50% mark. Not It's trading through it, just the wicks, but it's not like closing below. And eventually, prices just moving up towards my target. Um, as you can see, I got in around 11 o'clock, got out around 2:40. So this is definitely a longer trade than I would have liked. But nevertheless, we still made money today. Um, Hope you guys have a good day. Safe trading.